In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add money to Apple Pay Cash. By the end, you'll know exactly how to top up your Apple Cash balance so you can pay in stores, send money in messages, or check out online with Apple Pay. First, grab your iPhone and head to the Settings app. It's the gray gear icon on your home screen. Inside Settings, scroll down and tap Wallet and Apple Pay. Here, make sure Apple Cash is turned on. If the toggle is off, switch it on. This activates your Apple Cash card in the Wallet app so you can add funds and start using it. Next, confirm you have a debit or credit card added in Wallet since that's your funding source. If you already use Apple Pay, you're likely set. If not, you can add a card from the same Wallet and Apple Pay section. Your bank may require a quick verification, but once your card is added, you're ready to move on. Now open the Wallet app. You'll see your cards laid out like a stack. Tap your Apple Cash card to open it. This is where your balance lives and where you'll manage your money. On the Apple Cash screen, look for the Add Money option and tap it. If you don't see it right away, give the card a moment to load and make sure you're on the main Apple Cash view. Enter the amount you want to add. Choose what fits your needs today. If you're new to Apple Cash, starting with a small amount is a great way to get comfortable. When the amount looks right, tap Add. You'll be asked to pick your payment source, which can be your linked bank or the card you set up earlier. If you only have one option, it will be selected for you automatically. To finish, confirm the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This step authorizes the transfer securely and helps prevent mistakes or unauthorized activity. Keep your iPhone steady while it scans or enter your passcode if prompted. That's it. Your funds will move into your Apple Cash balance, usually within moments, and you can use them anywhere Apple Pay is accepted, or to send and receive money with friends. If you don't see the updated balance right away, refresh the Wallet app and make sure you have a stable internet connection. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Apple Pay tips and tutorials.